This video will explore the reading strategy building vocabulary using Kurzweil 3000. Research shows the more vocabulary a student has, the better their reading comprehension. This video uses several learning strategies within the lesson activities, including concept mapping, interactive instruction, reflection, and building vocabulary, as well as the learning theory of Bloom's revised taxonomy. In this video, we will focus on the use of highlighters, definition and synonyms, the extract feature, and brainstorm. Before working with students, prepare the document. In this case, the document is from the website Ben's Guide to the U.S. Government. This is an excellent site with a variety of information for all grade levels. In order to bring the page into Kurzweil, you need to virtually print it. Printing the article with the Kezi virtual printer is similar to any print job, except instead of printing out a paper copy, the article prints the document to Kurzweil. Before printing, ensure that you choose the color option. The document will now be available in Kurzweil. Give the file a name and save it. To prepare this activity for students, use the orange highlighter color to highlight key vocabulary words within the article. Then save the file with another name, such as citizenship-highlights. To add the orange highlighter to the Study Skills toolbar, click Tools, Customize Toolbars. Then select the orange highlighter and add it to the toolbar. Use the arrow key to move it into position. Then click Apply and OK. The orange highlighter will now be available each time you open the program. At the beginning of a unit of study, tell students they are going to learn more about becoming a citizen, the process of citizenship, rights, and responsibilities. Begin by projecting the page onto a screen or interactive whiteboard. Then have students, working independently on the computers in the classroom or lab, open Kurzweil, and then open the same file you are projecting. Begin by completing a quick Think Pair Share. Ask students to think about why you highlighted the words you did. Then discuss their thinking with a partner. Share a variety of answers, ensuring students understand that these are important or key words and will support their understanding of what they read and the concepts they learn. Next, tell students to set their reading to self-paced and highlights. This will let them read through all the words at their own pace. Give them 30 seconds to complete the task.
Diverse. Heritages. Ethnicity. National.
When done, you might want to ask students if they can predict what the article might be about based on these words. Then introduce color coding. As you show students how to change the highlight color for each word, tell them the colors signify your understanding. Green means you know the definition. Blue means you have heard of the word, but you are not sure if you have the correct definition. And yellow means you don't know the meaning of the word. Before asking students to complete the same activity, explain to them that building their vocabulary will help them understand and remember what they learned. The goal of the lesson isn't to know the meaning of every word when they first encounter it, but to build their vocabulary knowledge for the upcoming unit. When finished this activity, instruct students to extract the words they know. Remind students to only extract green highlights. Then have them partner to share their words, discussing the meaning of each. Encourage students to delete any words from their list that they are now unsure of or were mistaken in their understanding of the definition. Back in the article, students can alter the highlight color to reflect this change. Next, have students listen to each sentence that contains the word they have heard before but are not sure of the definition. Give them approximately 1 minute to highlight individual sentences and listen to the text.
People living here have different heritages, religious beliefs, ethnicity, languages, and national origins.
When finished, ask if any of them now know the definition of one of their unsure words. Ask for volunteers to explain how listening to the sentence helped them. For example, they may say, "When I heard the word in context, the meaning became clearer." After sharing, tell students to return to their article and change the highlight color to reflect their new understanding of any of the key vocabulary words. Finally, have students extract their yellow highlights. Ask them what tools in Kurzweil might help them learn more about these vocabulary words. Students will most likely point out the definition and synonym icons. Assign students to listen to the definitions and synonyms for each of their unknown words.
Ethnic character, background, or affiliation. 2. An ethnic group.
After they listen to each definition, they can close the window to return to their list. To complete the vocabulary activity, tell students to choose 3 words from the article, one they know, one they are not sure of, and one they don't know. For each word, they will complete a vocabulary map using the brainstorm tool. Students could create their own map or use the one provided. Remind students to use the definition tool and synonym tool to help complete the task. When finished, have students print their maps, and then meet in small groups to share their definitions. At this point, assign students to read the article either on their own or using Kurzweil. When finished, meet as a class to discuss how this strategy helped them prepare to read the article and how it might help them throughout the unit of study. If desired, repeat this activity at the end of the unit and discuss how their vocabulary knowledge has changed and why. We've just explored introducing key vocabulary to support comprehension. Now it's your turn to download the sample templates, apply the strategies, and take learning with Kurzweil 3000 to the next level.